This is what I'm going to use to try and make money online by doing absolutely nothing. What's up Digital Masters, it's Thomas here, and in this video I'm going to try out this side hustle that claims that you can make $15 for every 15 minutes without any experience or tech skills needed by doing absolutely nothing. If you've ever come across a method like this, or even if you haven't, I'm going to share everything that you need to know about this side hustle and if we can make money with this. Don't forget to like and subscribe while you're here, and the method works like this. The first step is really simple. We need to sign up for Payoneer right here, and this is what we are going to use to get paid. Now I'm accepting all cookies because I like cookies. Then we need to go to this website right here, which is cpalead.com. And he says that this is how we are going to make our money. So this is really important. This is going to determine whether it works or not. So after you've signed up, this is what the dashboard will look like. And we need to apply a couple of filters. So we want to target the United States because why not? And we want to select the payout by highest. This way we can find the offers that will pay us the most. Now the offer that he was using has been removed, so I'm going to use another offer. So right here, holiday rewards, $1,500 gift card. So this is basically they can sign up and they have a chance to win $1,500 as a gift card. Then according to his method, we need to go to canva.com. If you don't know what Canva is basically a site where you can create all kinds of designs. It's completely free to sign up. You can get a premium, but it isn't necessary. And we needed to create a custom design of 1,000 by 1,000. And the offer that he was promoting was about an app that is allowing people to make money by completing simple tasks. So we're going to search by templates and search for job right here. And then we basically just need to select one of these templates. Then customize this. So something like this: we are hiring, join us, testing apps and surveys. It's an open position, need to know, work as much as needed, smartphone required and internet connection needed. Then apply with link below. Then he was talking about the traffic source that has millions of people every single month and they spend a really long time on the website. But it said that the average spent on this website is 9 minutes and 22 seconds, which isn't that long. So I'm curious to see how this goes. We all know without traffic to our offers, we are nowhere. So I need to go to MeWe.com right here. Sounds a bit funny. MeWe, no. I honestly just need to go back to kindergarten. Okay, so it's your identity and you should own it. Okay, so now we're here. I just need to search for make money online because we need to search for make money online groups, which is basically just the same with like searching on Facebook. And these are like some type of groups that I can join. Then you guessed it, we need to go back to our affiliate link, copy this link, then go to Bitly so we can make our link a little bit more sexy. That's what he said, like don't judge. Then just upload like the picture right here and tell friends, like for example, like we're hiring, but then do this inside of the group. So does this really work? Now I have a couple of problems about this method that I want to share with you, but I'm also going to show you how you can make money online by doing nothing for real. So my first problem right here is cpalead.com. Now it's just not a good platform to make money on. That's one. Two is this: you're lying. We are hiring. That's not what you're doing. You're promoting an app. So this is essentially just straight up lying to people. I don't know what your values are and I'm not here to judge, but this is not something that I would be able to do. It just isn't right. Three is MeWe. What he said is that people are spending a tremendous amount of time on this website, but the average visit is only 9.22 minutes. 9 minutes. 22 seconds is not a long time. I mean, it all depends really, I guess, because if I'm planking or doing something else, then 9 minutes can be really long. Or so I've been told. And also there's just one group that has a lot of members, and other than that it's just a couple of hundred members per group, which is not that great if you are looking to reach a lot of people. So do I think that this method works? Absolutely not. But right now I'm going to tell you how you can make money by doing absolutely nothing for real. So this will probably be a bit of a controversial method, but it works. So right here, this is an old ad campaign that I used to run for Ted's Woodworking. And if you are a little bit familiar with ClickBank affiliate marketing, you know that That's Woodworking is an offer on ClickBank. Now what I basically did was I started bidding on keywords from That's Woodworking right here. So That's Woodworking, that'swoodworking.com, That's Woodworking plans. Now this was allowed because you need to look in the terms and conditions whether you can run PPC marketing ads. But it was really easy because the only thing that I needed to do was I needed to set up this campaign, enter my affiliate link, put the campaign on live, so the campaign was running, and I basically could just sit back, do nothing, and see the money come rolling in. This was making money by doing absolutely nothing for real. Now this campaign I'm no longer using because, to be honest, this campaign just started to dry out and this wasn't really bringing in any money anymore. But it was profitable. Now I'm not using this particular campaign because it wasn't using anymore, but I am still using this method. And that is a way that you can make money online by doing absolutely nothing for real. So by the way, if you would like me to make a tutorial about this method, like how to direct link with Microsoft Ads, then you can, comment down below and I will try to make a video about it in the future. And if you don't, then just go eat a cookie or something. Oh, and I posted 30 AI YouTube videos in 30 days. And if you want to see what that really looks like, then you can click the video right here. But for now, I'm going to wish you a great day and I'll see you in the next video.